was the largest and the strongest hurricane ever recorded to make landfall in the U.S. Be sure to gather food, water, because a hurricane may last for a while. Be sure you are well supplied with any prescription drugs that you or your family takes on a regular basis. Have a flashlight or candle. Explain that you may have to leave home. Involve the whole family in your planning. Make sure family members has everyone's contact information. Most importantly, worrying is normal, but mom and dad is there. We learned a lot from Hurricane Katrina. Be prepared for the next possible hurricane. By Alicia White.